What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate everyone coming back. Hope y'all like the content of the 8.8 build. I have been working on it tonight, working on the next video. I just realized I'm an idiot, but you'll see that in the next video coming up. Just wanted to film a quick video. I know I asked a bunch of people about what tube front end I should go with. Should I bend my own? Should I buy a Team Z? There's all kinds of different ones out there. There's a bunch, from super high price to in the middle, decent. And I had a few people comment, and my buddy Willie told me about CODION. That's the name brand, CODION. The guy's that name is actually CODION. I thought that was pretty cool how he used his name to make the name of the company. It's a CODION is the name of the company. I'll throw some pictures in here of his product and his how to contact him. He's in no way helping me out on this. It's just I've been meaning to reach out to him for a little while now, and last night I reached out to him super late. It was like, I think I messaged him at like 10 o'clock at night just to shoot a message out there so I wouldn't forget, and he pretty much got right back to me, and I talked to him until about midnight. And he just sold me on his kit. So I will be tubing the front end, so all of this will be gone. I haven't ordered the kit yet just because I want to get the rear end done before I have the front end kit. I don't want to get the front end kit here with the rear end not being done, because I'm going to want to start on the front. But that is the kit I am going to use. Like I said, I'll throw some pictures in here. Looks like an awesome kit. I'm gonna obviously film the install, film the unboxing, let y'all see it once I get it. I looked for like other YouTube videos for it to check it out on the install. I could only really find one, but just after talking to Willie and then Brian at B&K Performance, he has put on a couple of the kits now. And I looked at a couple of them over there at his shop whenever I was over there last, and I really liked it. It seemed like a really good product, and you can't beat the price. You can go on his website and see, or go on the Facebook page and see his pricing for the mild steel or chromoly, and I think he has one other. I don't remember what the other one was, but as you'll see in the pictures that I upload, it's just he's pretty good. And I'm glad I'm going to be supporting a small business rather than going with a company that everyone always uses. So I've looked at a couple of the turbo setups with his kit. I'm going back and forth on whether I'm going to be running an intercooler on this car or not. I do have some space in there to put an intercooler. Whenever I first started building this car, as y'all know, I was going to put it on methanol. It was going to be a dedicated race car. At the time, I didn't have a title for the car, but I'd done a bunch of paperwork, ended up getting a title for a car, and I've always wanted a 900,000 horsepower street car. So I think that's the route I'm going to go with now. I'm not 100% sure what fuel I'm going to put it on. Where I live, E85 isn't like readily available. I have to drive 45 minutes, I think, to the closest E85 gas station, but I know I can buy it in 55-gallon drums probably, but it's not as convenient as just pulling up to the gas pump and getting pump E85. So I'm not 100% sure on what fuel I'm going to go with or how I'm going to do the fuel system now. I did buy that Enderly 12.5-gallon or 13-gallon belt drive fuel pump. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it or not now, because I am going to put the tank back there. I got a like 10 or so gallon fuel cell from my buddy Willie. So I am going to put the fuel cell in the back. I thought about running the fuel up to a surge tank in the front and running that belt drive fuel pump directly to that surge tank. Let me know what y'all think about that. How y'all think I should run the fuel. If y'all think I should keep it a street car, or if I should just go ahead and make it a race car with all I'm doing to this thing. But yeah, it's just a quick update. I went a long time between posting videos from the rear end video, and then it was like a month, I think. So I wanted to post another quick update on the car. I really haven't made any progress. The car's still sitting like it was last time on jack stands. I did make some progress on the rear end, little sneak peek. I feel like an idiot. I was trying to get these axles in, but you'll see in the rear end video. Maybe I might. My phone went dead, so we'll see what all I get in there. But the everything under the car, the Merillat Racing boxes, the Team Z coilover bar, all that is done. I just need to clean it all up and paint it. I was kind of waiting on me to be completely done with the rear end before I painted everything, but I think I'm going to get up in there and paint those boxes. I don't like the way they're really starting to get a nice golden color. I did paint the top sides of them before I put them in, so I just need to clean them up real good, prime them, paint them, so that I don't have to worry about it anymore. I need to get some metal. If you're in the Eastern Carolina area and know where I could get some metal, I know where to get some. But if you know a local business that I should support, let me know on that. I can get all the aluminum I want. It's just I need to get some steel to finish those tubs out. I'm gonna use aluminum here. I'm not gonna use steel there. So also, if you're in the Eastern Carolina area, I am an idiot. I had 2 sets of spindles for the front of this car. In my last dump run, I went happy throwing stuff away, and I threw both sets away. So I am pretty close to being started on this front suspension, and I don't have my spindles to put my front end together. So I do have aerospace, all aerospace 5-lug front brakes, and I was gonna put them all together the other day. So stuff's brand new. This is some of the stuff that I got with that white car that I sold Turbo John. But I knew I was going to use the spindles I had, and I guess I threw them away. So this stuff's brand new, 4-piston, nice stuff. But yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to the junkyard or if a buddy. CJ reached out to me. He has a set, but they're in Kentucky, so just depends on how quick he can get them as to what I do. So it's my Team ZK member. I do have Team Z, what would you call them? I would call them lower control arms, but they're the double adjustable. I ordered just the regular arms for this thing, and they sent me the double adjustable ones. I thought that was also awesome. I also ordered like the regular K member, and they sent me the one that has the tie down straps and stuff on it. So I don't know if it's because they knew I was military or what that they upgraded me, but that was super awesome. I really appreciate those guys doing that, whether it was an accident or on purpose. But I will be ordering more stuff, so that me getting that little upgrade, I'm going to end up paying for it anyway. But yeah, that's all I was wanting to do tonight. Talk about the front end I'm going to go with. Like I said in the beginning, he's not hooking me up on a deal or anything. It's just glad to be supporting a smaller business. His kits look awesome. Yeah, his kits look awesome. His fab work looks awesome. Look him up on Facebook at Codion. Probably throw a link. I haven't ordered mine yet. I am going to order one soon. But I'll go ahead and throw the link in the description below so y'all can go to his Facebook page and check him out because his stuff looks awesome. So sorry I was just rambling on in this video. Just wanted to give a quick update. We will be back to my regular build videos on how I'm setting all this stuff up and what I'm doing. As y'all know, I used all Marty Merillat stuff. He's an awesome guy. Also, I reached out to him many times, asking questions. He gets right back to me. So appreciate Marty for helping me out on this build as well. So like always, comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one.